So I have never skipped a day in the gym, ever. Well, I have skipped the days only when I was like sick or when I was traveling, but I have never skipped a day where I could have done the workout. In the past 8 months that I've been taking the gym seriously, this has been the case. I have never skipped a day. So is there a secret to this, or is this just my discipline? Well, actually, plot twist, there is a secret. This is something that works for me really well. So the reason that I never skip gym is because I have never been skipping gym. So yeah, this sounds confusing, but think about it. In these past 8 months, I have never skipped a day in the gym. Well, I'm not gonna start now, obviously. I have a clean record to keep. 8 months of no skipping. So the first time I ever skipped gym is still yet to come. It's not gonna be today just because I'm feeling a bit lazy. Obviously, it's keeping me strong because I know that if I skip just one day in the gym, that's gonna be detrimental because I have never skipped it before. So when I'm just a little bit lazy now, of course I'm not gonna skip gym. Of course I'm not gonna skip because I know because I have a record to keep. And that's the secret. I have never skipped gym before. I started strong, and that's what's keeping me strong now. So if you're just starting out the gym now, this is the time when you need to take this seriously, because if you build a strong foundation now and of not skipping the gym, then you're gonna have something in the future that you're gonna be very thankful for. But what about you, who is been in the gym for some time and has already skipped some days or maybe even many days? How will you do it? I didn't leave you out of this. We're gonna figure something out now. The whole point of this that I was talking about is that I have a certain self-image. I have a self-image. I see myself as a guy who doesn't skip gym. I see myself as a disciplined guy who is consistent in the gym every single day. And I have built this the hard way. But maybe you could trick yourself into seeing yourself as the same guy without actually doing this work behind it. So you should try to actively look at yourself as a guy who doesn't skip gym. Try to see yourself and think of yourself as this ultra disciplined giga chat guy who never skips gym, who comes to every workout, who is extremely disciplined, extremely strong, and has something to prove. If you see yourself as that, then you're gonna be that. Think of yourself as the guy who can't allow himself to skip a single day. So take this seriously, take this self-image thing seriously. Try to actively look at yourself as this every single day. Tell yourself that you're a strong, disciplined guy who just never skips gym, and you're gonna start seeing results. You are the guy who never skips gym. So act as the guy who never skips gym, because he's you. So that's all I had to say for this video. If you liked it and you wanna see more, there is plenty videos on my channel. If you want, you can check them out. If you want, you can subscribe. And that's all I had to say for this video. Stay disciplined, follow God, and bye.